Hi, this is Guld with Geeks On Tour, and in this tutorial video I want to show you how to set up two-step verification on your Google account. It's also known as two-factor authentication. First, what is it? I want to log in with my own account and show you how the two-factor authentication works. So here I am on my computer and I'm logged out of all accounts, just browsing as guest. So I go to google.com and I need to sign in. I enter my username, which is my Gmail address. Click Next, and I enter my password. But it's not going to let me in because it's not sure. It knows that I am me, but it has just sent a message to my phone. So let's look at that. So only if somebody had my phone, because I have my phone, this proves that I am me. All I have to do is tap on yes. And now, back on the website, I am logged in as me. So that's what two-factor authentication does. It does not let you in with just username and password. You need to have something else. Now let me show you one. Let me log out from me, and I'm going to log in as my fake account, my alter ego Alice. So I sign in and another account. I enter email address and the password, and it lets her in. So any bad guy out there that got a hold of just her email address and the password would be into the account. So how does Alice set up two-factor authentication on her Google account? Well, she is logged in, so you click on the little account button in the upper right and choose Manage Your Google Account. And it's under Security. And signing into Google. Notice it says that using your phone to sign in is off and two-step verification is off. Let's turn on two-step verification. And I recommend you read all this, but mainly it is keep the bad guys out. Even if someone else gets your password, it won't be enough to sign into your account. Get started. So I need to enter that same password. And now it says that this device is already attached to this account, but let's show more options. And text message, and you enter in the phone number, and it has sent a text message to that phone number. Let's take a look. And now here's one thing to know, because I've made this mistake several times, thinking that 22000 was the number. No, that's just the number that the message came from. It's this 980183. 6 digits is your Google verification number. So we go back to the web and put in that number. It worked. Turn on two-step verification. Turn on. So from now on, no bad guy will be able to get into this account without having either the iPhone or the phone associated with this phone number. Now, there is a danger once you set this up that maybe you won't have the phone with you. So how do you get in if you don't have your phone with you? That's what backup codes are for. You click Set Up App, and here are backup codes. You can download or just copy them and put them somewhere safe where you remember where they are. I put them in my LastPass password manager. Then you know that you will be able to get in even if you don't have your phone. So two-factor authentication is the best way to keep the bad guys out. Even if they got a hold of your real username and your password, they won't be able to get in unless they also have your phone to get the code or the verification.